This is our gate locking mechanism installed several months ago by the new fence company. Lift up, pull out from the outside. And then on the inside, actually let me do that again. That opens it up. Kick it with your foot. I have a spring on it. They put a spring on it. I didn't ask for it, but they did. And then latch in, close it, and you can also lock it from the inside. How you do it? Squeeze in, pull in, and that locks it from the inside. And you can't open it from the outside. Just push in, push out, and that unlocks it. Alright. Lift up. I kick with my feet. Alright, and yeah. So again, there we go. So it opens up. I didn't actually do that for my feet last time. I like this. This is good. It seems to work. Voila. Okay. That's how she works.